Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the neckband off and removing ear tips. That prevents accidental shorting. Once done, lay the unit on a soft cloth and photograph the wiring layout so you remember routing. Use a plastic spudger to pry open the seam where the shell clips. You may first remove tiny hidden screws near the collar joints. Take your time, force tears plastic. Keep screws and small parts separated and labeled to make reassembly straightforward. Once the shell is open, identify the battery pack and the connector to the PCB. You need to know polarity before unplugging. If the battery is glued, use a bit of 90% isopropyl or gentle low heat to soften the adhesive, then pry with a plastic tool, not metal, so you don't puncture the cell. If it's soldered, desolder the tabs quickly and lift the battery away while supporting the board. Keep wires and flex cables slack so you don't rip any traces. You now fit the replacement cell, aligning it exactly as the old one sat. Match polarity and reconnect the plug or resolder the tabs with steady, quick joints. Before snapping the shell closed, power up the neckband and pair to your phone to confirm the battery charges and the audio functions. This avoids reopening. Once confirmed, secure the adhesive or double-sided tape, reassemble the housing and charge for at least 30 minutes. Troubleshooting tip: if it won't power, double-check the connector polarity and solder joints for cold joints or loose pins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.